Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I will be doing a fidget spinner video. So yeah, I'm gonna start it, and yeah, so let me get the first thing. Okay, so I have got the thing you probably might know because I don't have one of the items. The first one is a fidget cube. So if one of your regular fidget cubes, you just do the same thing with it. You've got this. And you fuse and click, as you can hear. Let me just do the button and the switches. Yeah, and then you got the little like the ball, and you've got the braille parts. I think they're called like the dial parts. And then you've got, what else have you got? I'm just trying to think myself. You've got that, I don't know what it is, it's just something you've done. You've got the soothing thing there, so you've got like that. And yeah, I might turn the light on to give some lighting. Why didn't I do that in the first place? Let me just pause the video. Okay, so yeah, we're back with it. Let me just the lighting's way better now. Okay, so as you can see, I've just shown you all of it basically. Get closer to the light. Oh, this video was not planned before I do a video because I haven't uploaded in ages, and you probably can hear me. So yeah, that's that. Next one. Okay, so here's a new one. Not like the ones you usually see. So if I can get a camera angle. How am I going to get the camera angle? I'm going to pause the video and get it. Okay, so I'm back. I've changed the camera angle itself. So this one, it's a pretty different one to the other ones you see on YouTube. Let me show you. So really, it's completely different. Oh my gosh, I'm not even showing it to the camera. So this one is different. We do like fidget with it like that. That's all it is. This one's a really quick one to do. So yeah, just gonna. Oh my gosh, that wasn't even in the camera. What the heck am I doing? Okay, you should be able to see it now. So here we are with the new weird line thing. Okay, that's that. Come on to the next one. Oops! Oops! Camera fell down. Okay, so yeah, we're back with it. And I'm spinning it right now. So yeah, we're back to the fidget spinners. There's a few fidget spinners that I need to show you, and then I've got prize at the end fidget spinner. Nexus YT, you may know this fidget spinner as I have shown you it before. Oh, I'm sorry about that sound. Notifications coming. Okay, let me show you this fidget spinner. Just looking up fidget. Oh, yeah. Like, keeps hitting, but it looks really cool on camera. So here's the purple one. It's pretty standard. Oh, yeah, that's what it looks like when it's like that. Pretty standard one. And do I go spin it again? Wait, is that moving? So yeah, that's that one. On to the next. Okay, so this one's a fidget spinner. The rest of them are going to be fidget spinners, but this one is meant to light up. Oh, this one is meant to light up, but let me just show you it. Not spinning, it's like that. Pretty cool. And this one is meant to light up, but the batteries on it broke. So let me just spin it one more time. Let me just spin it in slow. Well, that's not really slow motion, but it is spinning slowly. Okay, and we're gonna go on to the next one. So here's the next one. You can't see it yet, but now you can see it. So this one's just a standard green one. But actually, if I go, you can see that it's not just green. It's got a bit of orange. Oh, here. And green here and blue here. That's what makes it look like cool when it's like spinning like that. Look what it looks like when it's spinning like that. If I just, yeah, like, let me just, okay, let me just, look how cool that looks. And it's glow in the dark too. That's good. It's charging right now. And yeah, this one. So, next one, the surprise one. Ooh! Okay, so the big one is coming. Well, it's not big actually. It's a metal one, yeah? Do you want to listen to it? Let me just push it forward. Yep, next. Do you like that sound? Yeah, you do, don't you? Okay. Now this is what it looks like. One of them ones. Put it down. Things like that. So yeah. One of them ones. It's not glow in the dark one. You think it just looks cool, it's metal. It's awesome, isn't it? That's awesome! And you want to see it spinning? Let me show you it. That's what it looks like spinning on camera, but when it's spinning in real life, it looks cool, but not as cool as this on camera. As you can see, it looks pretty cool like that. A bit further, the light towards it. Oh, that looks nice. You can see most of it there. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and bye. I didn't pause it. I paused the video. I didn't end it. Bye. Before I end it, oh, look at the fidget spinner. Bye.